Hey there, Discord users. If you're looking for some peace and quiet while gaming or working, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to disable message notifications on Discord for PC, thanks to the latest update. First, start by opening the Discord app on your computer. You can find it on your desktop or in your taskbar. Once you've got the app open, you're almost there. Next, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon represents user settings. Go ahead and click on it to access your settings menu. Once you're in the user settings, scroll down the left sidebar until you find the notifications section. Click on it to open up all your notification options. This is where the magic happens, so pay close attention. Now, in the notification settings, you'll see various options for managing how you receive notifications. To enjoy a quieter Discord experience, look for the option labeled Disable All Notification Sounds. When you find it, simply toggle that option on. This will silence all notification sounds, allowing you to focus on what really matters, your game or work, without those pesky pings interrupting you. And that's it. You've successfully disabled message notifications on Discord. Remember, you can always come back to these settings if you change your mind. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your uninterrupted Discord experience. Happy chatting.